follow the road ahead. Roundabout ahead, second exit. Pull up anywhere on the left here, please. Okay, relax a few minutes. So far reasonable, not much of an issue. Was there any problem with this roundabout she's gone over?
She didn't check on her right.
You would have instantly failed your test here. Do you understand where your right was?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just so we're in.
The car was turning in there.
Yes.
And
yes.
that's why I was. Yeah.
And you were more worried about the vehicle turning right, turning left ahead of you, than where he was turning.
Yeah.
Now, if I say to you about 8 years ago. 8 years ago, I had a driving test in Bradford, and there's like 3 roundabouts next to each other. As you're coming down the road, you come from an area called Nabwood, and they'll tell you at the roundabout, left first exit, follow the signs for Bingley. When you turn left at the first roundabout, the next 2 roundabouts are in quick succession. The first roundabout, mini roundabout, you're going ahead. The second mini roundabout, you're going ahead. And the first mini roundabout, the right turn, the people that you need to look at, because it's a T-junction roundabout, are the people ahead of you.
Mm-hmm.
The second roundabout, you need to look at the entrance from the school. The person that was doing the driving test at the time didn't look at the school because it was a Saturday morning.
Okay. Yeah.
School were closed.
Yeah.
He said, what if it wasn't closed?
Yeah, they could be open for some event or something.
Absolutely, and it's important that you look to your right. So you made no attempt to look to your right. You could have the best driving test ever, but if you don't look to your
Just
right,
once,
if you don't look even once, if you look once and you look very early before you approach the roundabout, you fail.
Mm-hmm.
If you look, at what point is she supposed to be making a critical check?
When she approaching.
And when's the final check?
So when she come on the roundabout,
there,
next to the line.
So if you're not looking at the line, you're going to fail your test. If you're looking at an approach, you're doing that for you.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm critiquing your driving, I'm going to watch you do it at the line. So if I do 50 mirror checks, it's fine, it's cool. But if I don't do that mirror check as I'm going over the line, I failed my test.
Yeah.
And it means you're going to have an accident. So it's super crucial when you're approaching the roundabout that you, because it will say if there's nobody coming.
Yeah.
But their argument is, what if
What if there was,
Yeah.
Because there are so many drivers who just go,
Well,
I
because-
actually went.
So it's
That's the
important
thing,
that you slow down enough that you can stop just in case you've made a mistake.
Okay.
Okay, we're now turning right at this signal control roundabout. What's the signal control roundabout?
Signal controlled roundabout.
Dumb it down, make it easy for me to understand. What does it mean?
So basically, the lights tell you when to go, when to wait.
Yeah, that's fine, yeah. Okay, so if your lights are green,
I can go.
okay, that's fine.
And there shouldn't be anything else.
Brilliant, okay.
Crossing or going.
What we're going to do now is we're going to turn right at this roundabout and we are following the signs for the city centre.
Okay.
Yeah. When you're ready, move on. Yeah. If you don't know where you're going, ask me and I'll guide you, okay?
Okay.
So we're turning right, third exit, following the signs for the city centre.
So that is first.
Mhm.
That's second.
Yes. Go into lane 1. Amber, I've got a question. Was there anything wrong with her approach to the third exit?
She was so fast.
There. And do you know how she just said you're a little too fast? And she didn't tell you to slow down. I was on your brake.
Okay.
Just so you understand, I was on your brake there. Okay, and even then she felt it was too fast.
Okay.
So even while I was braking, so I was slowing you down a little there as you're going around the corner. So it's important that if you don't know 100% where you're going, well, that's your hazard perception for today.
Yeah, it's like it's still green as well to go, and she just like started running, but then
she probably looked at the wrong traffic light. She looked up and one of the traffic lights was a different colour.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're following the road ahead, and I'll give you a next instruction in a couple of seconds, and we're then going to go towards Colin, okay?